Fun, aka Sparkles here, and just coming to you with a quick juggling tutorial. Now, this is going to assume that you've never juggled before, so you're going to want to get yourself 3 objects to juggle. And you don't want to get tennis balls because they are going to fly all over the place, especially since you're new. This is the flying pinguinis. They're little penguin things, or you could get the hacky sack balls, or any little beanbag thing. I'm going to show you a quick little routine at the end of the video, and for that juggling I use just some little beanbag froggies that I got at a toy store, and they work really good. Okay, so if you've never juggled before, you need to find yourself 3 balls. You're going to start off with 1, and you're just going to take the ball and you're going to throw it in an arc to the other hand. Now, the best way to practice this is up against a bed, and you're facing the bed. That way when the balls fall, you don't have to bend over to pick them up that far. And if you don't have tennis balls, you're not running all over the place. So beanbags work the best because when you drop them, they just stay right there. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your ball and you're just going to throw it in an arc to the other hand like this. You want it to come just about above your head, something like that. And you just want to practice doing that until you get very comfortable doing it. All right, you should be able to do 20 throws in a row without dropping. Okay, and once you have that down, you're going to take your second ball. So I'm going to take my second little pinguini here, dude. And as soon as the first one gets to the middle, you're going to throw the other one right under it, or you could go over it, but keep it under. So it just goes like this: throw, 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 throw. And say it out loud. It helps if you say it out loud because most people want to go like that, and it doesn't go that way. It's going over and over, like you do in a rainbow and a rainbow. All right, so it goes throw, 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 throw. And try and get them all in the same arc. It's all about learning control. Throw, throw. And as soon as you can do 20 of those in a row without dropping, then you're ready to go to the third ball. So throw, throw. So the throws should be just a little bit above your head, the arcs. That's a good thing. And then once you have that done, then you're going to take your third ball, put 2 of them in one hand, and every time you throw one and it hits the middle arc, the opposite hand throws. So it goes throw, 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 throw. And before you know it, you're juggling. All right, that's a very quick juggling tutorial. But again, just start out with 1. A beanie bag works the best, or you could do scarves. You're not going to learn the rhythm as much, so it's good to start out with a little ball. Okay. Then once you have that done, and you can do a 3-ball juggle pattern, throw, 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 throw. As soon as you can do that for a few minutes, and it's nice, you want to keep practicing so that you can look beyond or not even paying attention to where you're juggling. It's called muscle memory. You just have to practice, lots of practice. All right, so that is the quick juggling tutorial, and I'm going to run through my little routine. This is what I do at birthday parties. It's part of my little magic show. So I tell the kids, so I'm just going to go into the routine now. So, all right. So I'm going to introduce you guys to some friends of mine. Hold on. And I have this set on a table. This little dude right here, his name is Wiggles. Can you say hi to Wiggles? Hi, Wiggles. And this little dude, his name is Squiggles. He's saying hi to you guys. And this little dude, guess what his name is? And then, of course, the kids will yell out different names that rhyme with Squiggles and Wiggles, and I say, nope, macaroni and cheese. We call them Mac for short. So my 3 little frogs here want to go to the frog juggling competition, and they want me to be their juggling coach, but I forgot how to juggle. So I was hoping you guys could show me how to do this. Just with your hands, you don't even have to get up. Oh, that's how you do it. Like that. I can do that. I can do that. La 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 la. What do you mean I'm not juggling? Oh, I have to throw them and do that. Okay, I can do that. Oh no. Oh no, my poor little froggy's Mac landed on his head. Poor Mac. Ew. Was I supposed to catch them too? Ah, okay. So I have to throw them and catch them. So does it go something like this? Ah, I don't know how to do that. So I'm just going to have to put the... What do you mean I just did that? Nuh-uh. Nuh-uh. Really? You mean I was going like this? Are you sure? Or maybe I was going maybe something like this. Whoa. Oh, no. Hold on. Hold everything. Oh, squiggles. Poor squiggle. Ew. Hey, you guys taught us how to juggle. Give yourselves a great big round of applause. And that's just a quick little juggling routine that I do in my birthday parties. You only have to know how to do the 3-ball juggling. Of course, it would be good. I do reverse them in the end. So we're doing the 3, and then you just change the pattern up. But that's a lesson for another time. Oh no, I hope I don't have to kiss them all again because I'm going to turn into a frog. Thanks for watching.